Hi students, welcome to our physics class now. So in this class we are going to learn about an important question in 10th class physics in the current electricity chapter. So derivation of formula for electric resistance R is equals to rho L by A. And it is also basic topic in current electricity in class 12 physics, intermediate second year physics students. So the resistance of a conductor is directly proportional to length at a constant temperature and cross-sectional area. It means that when the length of the conductor increases, its electric resistance also increases. When the length of the conductor decreases, its resistance also decreases for a constant temperature and cross-sectional area. So electric resistance is denoted by R, length of the conductor is denoted by L. So L increases, R increases, L decreases, R decreases. So this relation is directly proportional. So R is directly proportional to L, equation 1. Now, relation between electric resistance of a conductor and cross-sectional area of the conductor. So resistance of a conductor is inversely proportional to its cross-sectional area capital A at constant temperature and length. So it means that when the cross-sectional area of the conductor increases, resistance decreases. When the cross-sectional area of the conductor decreases, resistance increases. Cross-sectional area increases, resistance decreases. That is why it is inversely proportional. But in this case, the length of the conductor is taken constant and temperature maintained constant. So R is inversely proportional to A. So equation 2. Equation 2 you can read in two ways, students. R is directly proportional to 1 by A. Directly proportional means you want to read 1 by A. R is directly proportional to 1 by A, or R is inversely proportional to A. So inversely proportional, you are calling as inversely proportional means we don't want to call as 1 by A, only A. So R is directly proportional to 1 by A, or R is inversely proportional to A. So from equation 1 and 2, students, so in both equations R is a common and a proportionality symbol is a common. That is why from equation 1 and 2 we can write R is directly proportional to L into 1 by A. R is directly proportional to L by A. So proportionality symbol is eliminated. Proportionality symbol is removed or replaced with equal sign and a constant rho. So in the place of proportionality with equal sign, a constant rho is written. That is why formula for R is rho L by A, where rho is a proportionality constant called resistivity or specific resistance. But in the previous videos already we explained what is resistivity. So you can see and you can understand. So there a link is given in the description of this video, students. So this is the formula for resistance R is equals to rho L by A.